going to talk about toilet seats, often considered the best seat in the house.
Right.
All right. So many times people move into a new house and they just want to have a new seat.
Right.
You know, and so I want to take you through some of the choices. There's not many standard things in the plumbing industry, but one is there's either the round bowl toilet right here, and that measures about 16 inches.
Okay.
Or the elongated or pear shaped, and that's another 2 inches deeper.
Right.
Okay, and you got to get the right size.
Based on which one you have.
So there is one thing that is standard, and that's the size of between these bolts right here.
So boom, 5.5 to the center.
Okay. And it could not be easier nowadays. You buy a new toilet seat, they've got it so that you can put it right into place. Sometimes there's a gasket right here.
Yep.
And that drops in, and these bolts, they're now plastic. They used to always be brass. Now this drops down inside. Look at this. All it is a handhold that you go like this, and then with a screwdriver, you tighten these things down.
I mean, they've got that handhold because that's a tight
right.
spot underneath.
And this will just squeeze up into that space. You don't even need a wrench at the bottom. Okay?
Right.
So you tighten them up. So that's pretty simple. Oftentimes, though, the hardest part of these jobs is how do you get the old toilet seat off?
They do fail, and it is maddening
because they always were made out of brass right here, and brass, it's a metal you had to use. You couldn't use a ferrous metal that could rust.
That's brass?
That is brass, even though it's coated and got a coating.
I see, okay.
Okay. And so you often would see down below a nut like this with a washer. Now it's sitting in a pretty miserable place, and so you could try with an open end wrench or a box wrench, but if this is a soft metal, and if you deform it, and it's not going to come off. So best first attack is a socket that fits it exactly so you're going to bite on all sides.
Yeah, I've worked on a bunch, and they seem to be always deformed, almost completely unbiteable.
But more often than not, this is our attack. Right
so you're just going to cut it off.
That's right. So what you want to do is protect the china, and you often see, we come there in the home and I try to get it off, and you see the whole toilet all scratched up.
And it's interesting, you're working up here as opposed to down here.
Yeah, there's no real way to go down underneath there because that's up inside a place you can't get to.
So all the more reason to be careful.
So to protect the china, you'd use either a flat putty knife or a little bit of tape, and you'd go in right here, and you don't care about cutting the plastic, but you're trying to get to that soft brass.
So you can pop that thing off, put a clean one on. Got it.
All right, so then there's choices. Choices.
Come on, right?
This is for
seahorses and boardwalks. I guess these are for the beach house?
For the beach, okay.
Trippy.
Look at the trippy.
Whoa.
Look at this.
Hello.
Hello.
Something that is a rose.
I'll just be a minute.
By
Sorry.
any other name.
So a padded toilet seat here.
Yep.
Okay.
Makes sense.
And then there's some toilet seats for different ends of the age spectrum. Here's a toilet seat elongated that looks conventional. Mm-hmm. It also has the drop down right here for a potty seat.
Oh, yeah.
And when you're done, that thing can snap right out and away.
So you're back to adulthood, right?
Right. And that's also what's great about this is a self-closer.
You know what? I think this is the greatest invention
really
in toilets. Until you go to the house that doesn't have one. So you boom, slam it down.
For the graying of America, this is barely handy. It fits onto a conventional toilet seat, gives you the grab bar for security, gets that toilet seat up height to
retrofit.
That's right.
That's terrific.
All right. And then there's a toilet seat that can go onto any toilet. This is an add-on to an existing toilet that turns the toilet into a bidet, has a dryer, has a heated seat. Okay, and what it is pretty straightforward. It's got a water connection right here that you intercede on the regular water connection, so you can do it. The only thing you do have to add is electricity, so you got to find a way to get an electrical
But again, as you said, this is a retrofit to a standard toilet.
Oh yeah. I live with one. They're pretty awesome.
Wow.
So now put your hand down. It won't come on unless you're seated down.
Look at you and I sharing a toilet seat here.
And so here it comes.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Hello.
And it washes the floor.
That's more exciting than the seahorses. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.